today is install a 14-tooth sprocket on the front of the DR650. Give it a little bit lower gear ratio. The stock is a 15-tooth. Don't trip and break the neck. And we are swapping it to a 14-tooth. First thing we'll do is take off the chain guard here. Not with that socket we ain't. Oh, there's a nut in there. Well, I'll have to work on that a little bit. Shit, fire. That thing's coming loose. That bolt wasn't hand tight. I need a better location for this camera. Something more like that. Well, I don't know if that's great, but it'll work, I guess. There. Okay. Back to the job at hand. Well, I'll tell you, this one wasn't loose, but it wasn't tight. Went on a ride the other day, and the side panel from the other side lost it. Boy, look at that, I just popped that by hand. That's sorry. Anyhow, I digress. I was blaming it on me not putting it on right or not tightening it up tight enough or whatever, but this bike just seems to want to shake itself apart. Okay. Let's see here. We need to... Okay. Fits all. put some gloves on. So we got the cover off. And then took the 3 bolts out of the keeper and the sprocket. And this slides on and turns, and that's what locks it on there. Hopefully I can wiggle this off without taking the chain clear off. There we go. That's should be 15 tooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here in this trusty dusty little package. That I got from Pro Cycle. Who my dealings with so far have been really good. They're helpful, and anytime I order parts, which I've ordered plenty, it comes quickly. And when you replace it, the smaller sprocket, because the keeper is too big for the 14 tooth sprocket. When you put it on there, the chain will hit the keeper. So the keeper tries to hold the chain up off the sprocket a little bit. So you have to order this, a little 3-piece keeper, 3-bolt keeper that solves that dilemma. Which is something I didn't know when I ordered the parts. He was nice enough to fill me in, so I wasn't sitting around waiting on a keeper. There we go. And back in with the 3 bolts. Ooh, Loctite. Let's use Loctite. Let's drop the grease in the bucket. I don't know what the torque settings are on that. Let's see how smart AI is. What are the torque settings on the front sprocket bolts of a 2022 DR650? 4 to 5 foot-pounds. I'll tell you, AI is the greatest thing since sliced bread, up until it kills us. Okay, easy enough. I'd assumed that would have been a pot metal, but it's just plastic. Ooh, that's too tight. Okay. Just like that, all done. Alright, that's it. Lickety split, all done. Well, I got it at accelerate, I'll say that. Front tire cleared the ground a hair when I shifted to second. Now I'm at 60 mile an hour. Surely not running too awful hard. There's 70, over 70. Get her, big fella. Nice. Very nice. Well, my humble opinion, I think the 14 tooth front sprocket is what this bike should have came with. If you do any off-roading at all, make it better. A couple days ago I was riding through a creek, kind of rocky and squirrely, and first gear was geared way too high for what I was comfortable with. Should be better with this sprocket on it. And it still has plenty of go, high top end. No problem at all with that. I was going 70 out there, and it was not cranking hard at all. I have no doubt it could do much better than that even. Well, that's that. Riding along.